Go into all the world. God said go, men says come. God says scatter, men says gather. God says give, men says keep. There are many who prophesy over you for 2 ringgit, if 5 ringgit, prophesy a little bit longer. And you got people running from place to place, from pillar to post. They say, just to get another word. Oh, God will expose all of this. If they are not feeding the poor, if they are not clothing the naked, if they are not speaking for the oppressed, if they are not living a holy life, not dressed like a movie star. Tell these prophets, go and preach to the lost. Tell these prophets, go out of the church to the streets, to the marketplace. Read Corinthians and Paul would tell you the credentials of an apostle, the credentials of a prophet. Oh, they were not popular, they were unpopular because they stood for the oppressed.